one assembly episode is not enough. We don't have the car half put together yet. So let's get at assembling some more of this, exciting parts, putting them together and saying, wow, look what we built. These are just, well, standard used to be. Everything used them. 7-inch universal type. This is MP. Apparently really popular with Volkswagens, but not so popular with me because I put the headlights in the car, trying to wire them up. Wired them up one way, didn't work. Wired them another way, didn't work. Kept checking the wiring diagram. Didn't matter what I did, it didn't work. Turns out the bulb was faulty on one side. First side I was working on. These are the halogen bulbs that come in those kind of headlights, pretty standard. And 60 watt high beam, 55 watt low beam. And this is the one that was faulty, the low beam on it. So after changing bulbs, I got it wired right. So now I'm to the point where I've got all of the signal lights, park lights, brake lights, even the third high brake light in the back window, headlights, high-low beam, all of that is wired and in place. So to set these headlights, we are going to have to make sure the tire pressure is right all the way around. We got like half flat tires here. They've been sitting for, well, 4 years. Let's just put 30 in all of them. We haven't checked this clearance yet. I'm hoping that it's not going to rub. It's okay going straight for sure. But I put this car down just as low as I possibly could. So I don't have a lot of distance. Probably not quite enough. 30 and a half off the floor, maybe 31. Actually back 30 and a half, and 31. I don't know, maybe we're not quite level. Yeah, you know, cars aren't always level, are they? We're probably not going to get a real accurate setting, but it'll be good enough to get started. And then someday in the future, I'll find a flat driveway in front of a garage door, maybe 20, 30 feet back, and measure. Okay, so that's the low beams, and they look really high. That's the high beams. So all we're going by basically is the low beams. Yeah, we're probably more about 35 here. All right, I'm thinking that's pretty good. And high beam, all it does is like scatter. Kind of blotchy too. I've also got battery posts inside the grill there, rubber covered ones. You just pull them off and you can charge or jump the car from outside. Problem being is that if the battery's dead, you can't open the doors because they're electric in order to open the hood because it's inside the car. So you would be stuck. And that way, if the battery dies for some reason and you can't get into the car, you can just hook up jumper cables to the outside there and you'll have power. Yeah, tired. Maybe I should quit. I don't know, for the night. It's, well, what, 8 o'clock? Something like that, 7:45. And I've been up late nights, early mornings, organizing equipment and media stuff, files, heading back overseas here. Well, in a month today, I guess. So I'm hoping I can get a good bit done on this car. So the windows are all in except for the doors and the corner windows, because those will all come as a set. That's the only things I've got left to really assemble is the doors. And with that, it's the rear view mirrors, the corner windows, the power windows, the electric locks, the electric door openers, and all of that kind of stuff. It's pretty crazy. And then just finishing off the interior, the upholstery on the inside of that. I've got the garnish moldings to put on the inside. I've got the back window done. Side windows aren't done yet. Windshield's not done. I'm kind of waiting to get the doors so that I can cut the headliner to fit, depending on where the windlass goes. And that depends on how the door fits in there. So I guess the next thing is to put the doors in, and then I can somehow fasten that windlass in there. Yeah. piece by piece, finish off the upholstery. Clean work now. I'm looking forward to doing more sewing. I kind of enjoyed that. It was so much fun getting that headliner. Well, because it turned out pretty well perfect. First project. Yeah. Well, I got to stick the wiper blades on, otherwise they all work. Oh, and I got to put the nozzles in for the windshield washers. And I've got the tank there. I haven't put any fluid in it yet. But yeah, otherwise she's ready to go. So I think I'm going to go to bed and charge my battery. And I'm going to put a charger, trickle charger on this car because we've been fooling around with the lights and all that kind of stuff. I think the horn works too. I should just try that. Do we have a horn? Oh, I don't have a steering wheel. But I bet if I touch these two wires, it might be a horn. Look at that, eh? Good. Good to know. Good to know it works, because otherwise I'd be taking that grill off again. I hope I never have to do that. Oh man, those screws are tight to get in there. I've got the front end of this car just jam-packed tight, merging the Cadillac and the 49 Chev together. Yeah, they weren't quite made to fit each other, but a little wrangling, and we got it. See you in the morning.